All right, friends, we're going to have a review of fact families and understanding the relationship between multiplication and division. Let's say we're given these three numbers, 25 and 4. This makes a fact family with multiplication. Okay, we have 4, we have 5, we have 20, and this is one of those number bonds that you used in second grade. So using the same concept of a number bond, we're going to use it with multiplication and division. Okay, so we could do 5 times 4, and that equals 20. We could do 4 times 5, that also equals 20. With division equations, we could do 20 divided by 4, and that gets us 5. We could also do 20 divided by 5, and that gets us 4. Okay? So now what I'm going to ask for you to do is I'm going to ask for you inside of your math journal to jot down, okay, what you see here, this number bond, 36, 9, and 4. For 36, 9, and 4, I want you to go ahead and create a number bond and figure out what the multiplication problems would be using those numbers. Okay? All right, if you said 9 times 4 equals 36, or 4 times 9 equals 36, you were correct. Now, what if I asked you to figure out the division problem? Now, one way you can do this is you can actually read it backwards. 36 divided by 4 equals 9. 36 divided by 4 equals 9. In this case, 36 divided by 9 equals 4. 36 divided by 9 equals 4. Okay? Now, we're going to take our understanding here of the number bonds, and we're going to apply it in lesson 17 in our Eureka unit. Okay? So, in front of you, you're going to see the pictorial method, which pictorial means picture. Okay? And we're going to quickly go through this and then start talking about some a little bit more complex division concepts. 14 flowers are divided into 2 equal groups. Okay? How many flowers are in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 times 7 equals 14. But if you take 14 and divide it into those 2 groups, you're going to get 7. So there are 7 flowers in each group. Okay, 28 books are divided into 4 equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many books are in each group? 4 times 7 equals 28. 28 divided by those 4 groups is going to give you 7. There are 7 books in each group. Okay, now we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 markers. Okay, 5 markers in group 1, in group 2, in group 3, in group 4. So we have a total of 20 markers, and they are divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 equal groups. How many markers are in each group? 4 groups times 5 markers equals 20. And again, 20 divided by 4 groups is going to give you 5. There are 5 markers in each group. Okay? Now, for number 4, we're looking at 1, 2, 3 butterflies are divided, okay? Or excuse me, 15 butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15 butterflies are divided into blank equal rows. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal rows. How many butterflies are in each row? Okay, so how many butterflies are in each row? 3. 3 butterflies times 5 rows is going to be 15. If you take 15 and you divide 15, okay, by those 5 equal rows, then you're going to get a total of 3 butterflies in each row. Okay, there are 3 butterflies in each row. All right, so now we're going to look at the next page. Now we're looking at these tape diagrams. Okay, and a tape diagram, again, is just a visual for you to see the concepts being used. The pet store has 50 fish for sale. The fish are divided equally into 5 tanks. So this is tank 1, okay? This is tank 2. This is tank 3. This is tank 4. And this essentially would be tank 5. Okay, how many fish are in each tank? Complete the tape diagram. Then complete the equation statement. Okay, so we know there's a total of 50 and there's 5 tanks. So what number times 5 is going to be equal to 50? Hopefully you said 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 5 times 10 equals 50. But if you take 50 and you divide it by the 5 tanks, you will get 10 in each tank. So there are 10 fish in each tank. Okay? Continuing our lesson, let's take a look at number 6. Mr. Davis has 24 pencils. He divides them equally among 4 tables. Table 1, Table 2, Table 3, Table 4. Complete the tape diagram and then complete the equations and the statement. So we know that our total is going to be 24. We also know that this is Table 1. We can say T2, T3, and T4. Okay, so if we count and we figure out how many then would be in each group, all we have to do is think 4 times what number is going to give us 24. If you said 6, 12, 18, 24, then you are correct. So if you take 24 and you divide it by those 4 tables, you will get a total of 6 at each table. So there are 6 pencils on each table. Now, this is asking us to read, draw, and write process to solve the problem. 24 jelly beans are shared equally by 3 students. Okay, how many jelly beans does each student get? So we have 1, 2, 3, right? And we know that that's a total of 24. And these are student 1, student 2, and student 3. So we need to figure out how many jelly beans each student gets. 3 times what number is going to be equal to 24? If you said 8, you are correct. So in your little think box, you would say 3 students times blank equals 24. That would be 8. Okay, and then when we look at the division portion, okay, just like the model up above, we'd say 24 divided by blank equals blank. So 24 divided by the 3 students equals 8. You could also say 24 divided into 8 jelly beans is going to be the 3 students. Okay, it will work either way. Okay, but you're using the read, draw, and write process to help solve that. All right, and that is the end of our lesson today.